Hello, thank you for joining me. This is Eric with Bryx, and I just wanted to take a few moments to walk you through the setup process for Bryx Station Board. So the first thing you would need to do is just go to a computer and launch an internet browser. In this case, I have Google Chrome. We're just going to go up to the URL tab, and we're going to go to the Bryx management site. That is going to be the manage.bryx911.com link. So I'll click enter, and it will automatically log me in because I have my credentials saved, but in your case you might just have to enter your email and password that you have for your Bryx account. So here we are on the management site homepage. We have a little bit of information, but what we need to do is go over to the far left into this gray area and just click Station Boards. You see there's a few different boards already set up for demonstration purposes. What we're going to do is just go over to this green button and click Create. Now it takes you to this form where you're going to enter some information and where you can kind of see where you can configure your station board. So in the Basic tab, we're just going to start by naming our board. So I'll call this Eric Station Board Setup Video. I have a bunch of different options now for my active map layers and my inactive map layers. What I'll do is just turn off the inactive map layers by clicking these X's. If I want to turn those inactive map layers back on, I just click this drop down arrow and I can see that they're here, and I'll just click whatever I want to add. Again, I'm going to take these off for now. Also for active map layers, we have all of these. This is every single map layer you can choose from, so when I hit this down arrow, you'll see that there are no other layers. Right now what we'll do is just turn these responders off, we'll turn the users off, let's turn the apparatus off, and just keep it to a few just basic pieces of information. Supplementals, route to scene, hydrants, turnout timer, and street view. So that's really all you need to do to change on the basic side of things. On the advanced tab, we have our base map layers. We can do a street view, satellite view, hybrid, dark, high contrast, whatever you choose. We can change our active time by just toggling up 3, 4, 5 minutes. We keep it standard with 2. You can always make it longer with even hours. And then over here for message duration, again, just 1 hour is our standard default. So that all looks good. Again, back to the Basic tab, we're just naming it, selecting what map layers we want to see. Down here, this blue Create button, we'll just click this to finalize it. But again, we can always go back and we can edit the station board. I can either copy the link for this new station board we just created, or I can click this green button to open up our new station board in a new tab. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And here we are. The Bryx Station board that we just created is now loaded, and this is what you're going to see. I've played around. We've got a little bit of test jobs right here. What we're going to do is put a new job through. So we'll act like a new job came in from dispatch. We'll call it a fire job. It'll populate here in a few moments. Here we are. So we have the description of this new job that came through. It's a demo job. It's a smell of natural gas. We have the address right here, 185 North Chestnut Street. It's a Bryx test. And then we're about 0.4 miles away from the scene. Estimated time of arrival is 46 seconds. We can see that the job came through at 10:25 a.m. on May 15th, 2020. Here is your countdown timer. This gray loading bar will go all the way to the left side when this depletes to 0. Here's our Google Street View, so you can kind of see which building you're actually targeting, and any supplementals would come down here at the bottom. If you provide us the hydrants, the location of your hydrants within your agency boundary, you can just give us the latitude and longitude. We can populate on your map the closest 20 hydrants to every new call. So when a new call comes through, you'll see the hydrants, where all the nearest hydrants are, and if you have the data for us, we can actually label and color code them with flow rate. But essentially that's it. It's pretty simple to set up. You just have to go to the Bryx management site. Again, we can just go over to this tab, so just remind you it's over here. You can open a new tab, you can copy the link, you can edit your board with these with this button, these little 3 dots. Click that, you can edit it. But that's basically the station board. When a new job comes through, you'll see it pop up. For instance, if we put another fire job through, it'll automatically switch over to that one when it populates. So now we have another demo job set up. Different address, obviously a different building you're seeing, new countdown timer, And now we have these two dots, and you just saw that it automatically will toggle back and forth between the open jobs that you have listed. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@bryx.com. Again, our general inbox for any sort of technical or any really questions at all is just support@bryx.com. You'll be able to talk directly to our engineers who write and develop the software, so you'll be getting the best support in class. Again, thank you so much for joining. If you have any questions about your station board or any other features, please feel free to reach out to us at any time.